Have you been searching for a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with no HOA under $500,000? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly that here in Port St Lucie. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Raphael. I'm a realtor that specializes in new construction. I work with all of the builders here in Southeast Florida and help people just like you find the right home and find the right community while personally working with and representing you throughout the entire process. If you'd like my help and to leverage my knowledge, experience, and resources when buying or selling your next home, I'll have my information up on the screen and you can reach out to me directly. So this model is going to give you over 2,000 square feet under air and is unique in that it comes equipped with double master suites on either side of the home. Both have walk-in closets, and while the primary off from the kitchen has a tray ceiling and a larger bathroom, the secondary master has a cabana door leading out to the lanai and backyard. So I've had other clients in the past purchase this model with multi-generational living in mind. Whether it's an older parent or adult children, everyone has their privacy and space away from each other while being able to meet in the kitchen and living room. You'll find plenty of lighting throughout with wood-look tile planks in the common areas and carpet in the bedrooms. So if you are interested in scheduling a tour or want more information about this and other similar homes and communities, call or email me directly at the number on the screen. I don't work directly for the builder. I'm an independent realtor and can help work with you throughout the process with any builder or community that you ultimately decide to call home. Whether you're looking at homes for sale or exclusively new construction, remember to call me before visiting any of the models on your own so that you will be able to receive representation when you're ready to make a move on the right home. The builders are happy to work with me and all of my clients and subscribers that I bring by, and they compensate me on your behalf for my professional services and guidance. So if you are interested in this home or even something else like this here in Port St Lucie, you can reach out to me directly and I'd be able to help you along with the entire process, whether you're looking for something for sale or to build, and represent you when buying or selling a home here on the Treasure Coast.